today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a regular twisting for type 4 4B 4C hair. That's the natural black African woman hair.
Welcome to Sam's Crib.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Showing you guys how to do a regular twisting for a black African hair. That's the type 4, so let's get to it. Yeah, and I'll be doing it on my sister's hair, because why not, period. So yeah, so this is the hair. You guys are going to see the magic I'm going to do on this hair. Please don't call me already. So you're going to do
So the first thing is to cut the hair, to part it according to the size you want your twist to be. So you just part it in lines and segments, and then that's what you basically have to do. That's the first step. Then you can plait it, or you can choose to twist it or band it with a hairband or something similar, to avoid the ones you've parted coming back together, because here we're dealing with virgin hair, we're dealing with the black type 4 hair, and it's kind of a very tough hair, stubborn, and in most cases, so you always have to band it to have a repetition of work. Now we're going to the next here, and then we need to oil the hair. I creamed it before I started, but I still need to oil the scalp, because dry scalps make the hair look very untidy. So we need to oil the scalp and the hair as well if need be. So next we'll start losing each lines, each segment. I don't understand why she's giving me the rubber ball. Yeah, then we comb it with a comb, a tail comb, to make sure it's very much untangled. Then you can oil the scalp again if you have trust issues. Yeah, and now we're going to the weaving of the hair, the weaving. Now, even though it's twist, I love to start by weaving it, like by plaiting it, so the scalp will be neat and so it won't lose easily. I like to plait first for the first second, then I begin to twist. From the video, you can see as I'm twisting it, I'm first of all rolling each part before I cross them over each other, because some type of hairs, especially the permed ones, they tend to get loosened when you are just crossing it over, if you don't roll before crossing over. So I highly recommend you roll your parts before crossing them over each other. Now you're on the second one, and it's exactly the same thing. Mind you, I'm trying to be very slow and intentional in teaching you guys, because my normal speed is quite faster than this, and you guys might not learn it if I just do it that way. So I'm just showing you guys slowly and steadily. So yeah, we're done with the second one. Hooray, baby steps, right? Now yeah, the third. I just sped it up so we won't have to waste or spend hours just watching the slow version, the normal version of the twisting and the process. So of course you cut, you comb. I think that's basically it. You cut, you comb, you weave, and then you twist. No, I think it should be you cut, you comb, you weave, you roll, then you twist. Yeah, just those 5 steps, and I think you're good to go once you just learn those 5 steps. Now we're on the second part. second segment, and then we're just going. Yeah. Yeah, I'm so tired already. Damn. Turn your head, Joey, this girl. Don't give me stress. Nonsense. No, nonsense. Yeah, so we have to take this part easy because it's kind of almost the front. It's the front, but just at the edge. So you need to take it carefully, make it neat. Turn your head, madam. So you see that. Why is she covering her face? She doesn't want to be popular. Yeah, so basically the same thing. Oh, the hairdresser is looking for a comb. Luckily she found it quickly. So now we're going to the next one, and I'm trying to be very careful. This tiredness. I'm already tired, but I gotta keep on going. I got to go. I got to finish up. Imagine I'm just at the second. Just keep on pressing no matter what. Giving up is never an option. Don't try. Don't plan to give up. Don't give up. Don't give in. Just keep on pushing. And then, by the grace of God, by the grace of God, you succeed. Yeah, so I asked for water and they brought it in this rubbish cup that says good morning when it's not even morning. Ha! Creepy. It is like evening time, so but I really needed the water. See how she's stretching, like she did nothing but sit down and let me weave her hair, and she's stretching like she carried a ton of weight. Just imagine. We've gotten far so fast. We've done a lot, and so far so good. Wow, we're getting there. What do you guys think? I gotta speed it up because man, I want to leave this place. I'm tired. We even had to go outside because it was already getting dark inside, and then the light supply was cut off. They took light and just put it that way. So we had to come outside at the backyard that is not really that fancy and start making it because we needed to get lights and nobody's going to do anything about it at the moment. So just my brother was there jumping and watching, and I don't know whether he's trying to be an apprentice, try to learn. Just kidding. So wow, we're going so fast. With this speed we can finish this hair in 10 minutes. Nah, it's more than 10 minutes, but less than 30 minutes I bet you. So just weaving. My son was talking rubbish and I felt like knocking her head, but I don't want to look so mean. I don't want to seem so mean, so I just let her talk her trash. Then we kept on going and going. I was already tired and I wanted to just rest. So I just didn't know what to do. I just had to so you guys should just enjoy the music while we're watching the process, the magical process. I wonder who came up with this hair weaving stuff, like using your own hair to create. What was it? I don't know how to explain it. That's a magic form. Wow, so we're already at the middle, at the final phase. Whoa. know that stuff when you're already at the final phase and then it just seems like that remaining part that's meant to be less than 5. Yeah, see, she's touching the hair. Because you just be like, I thought we should be done by now. I thought we should be done by now. But I really can't explain either. So I'm still on with the roll then. Before you cross over, roll before you cross over, because you need to do it to ensure the hair doesn't get loosened in a short time. So we have to plait, then roll and cross over, roll and cross over. So this is not even in any speed, but I'm this fast, so you guys can see how fast I am. Like, this wasn't sped up and I'm this fast. So I wasn't capping when I said I was trying to be very slow, so you guys can see. So we'll come to the end, almost the hair end. Hallelujah, hallelujah. So I'm going to do that stuff hairdresser does that will waste your time. Yeah, after I was already done with the lash, I was already about to like get up, and then I just went back to the second to the last and just did, I don't even know, just to feel like an hairdresser, I guess. So we're finally done. Ooh, you wanna see pictures?